They always say life's about the journey. I guess that's a cliche, but it's still true when you're RVing with your friends and family. Doesn't really matter where you go, does it? You'll make friends no matter where you are. And when the sun goes down, that campfire lights up. Go wherever you want. See everything, creating memories that last a lifetime. Come to Zoomers RV and look around with no pressure. You'll find the right RV that fits your family's needs. Zoomers RV, a uniquely different buying experience.
Away is 1,000,000 miles from the office. 1,000 years from yesterday. And the absolute shortest distance between work and play. Find your away. For a dealer in the RV that's right for you, visit GoRVing.com.